Guten Tag, hier ist die Frau Walker, and in this video I'm just going to very quickly explain what your Mastery Check 3 is going to look like. So after you have completed your course companion and the practice packet for lesson 3, you are going to bring this Mastery Check form to the back table with a pencil. At the back table, I will have the reading prompt that will be giving you the information that you need to be able to answer these questions correctly. So make sure before you come back to me that you know what these questions are asking you. So that means that you need to do some work onto dic.leo.org to do some translating. That's fine. You shouldn't have to translate too much though, because it's asking you about the same things that we were wondering whether or not you had learned from Mastery Check 1, right? So all the same vocab. So you shouldn't have to look up too many things because you should know most of it by now. Alrighty, I will see you at the Mastery Check table. Auf Wiedersehen. Cheers.